pahayag ng lipad ng agila. Lithiin makatulong ng mga ate at kuya, mapagpalang kamay sa inyo ay aalalay. Mga pangarap kami ay gagabay. Pinagbigkis ng samahang walang katulad.
Celebrating victories weekly. Your efforts have left a lasting impact, and your legacy will inspire generations to come. To our incoming officers, congratulations on earning the trust and confidence of your family. With this trust comes great responsibility to lead with integrity, serve with compassion, and inspire unity within our organization. May you approach this new chapter with enthusiasm, an open heart, and a clear vision for our collective goals. As we move forward together, let us remember that leadership is not just a position, but a commitment to serve. Let us support our new leaders, standing shoulder to shoulder as one united family. As we work towards the continued growth and success of our beloved podcast, may this spillover to the community a reminder of the enduring spirit of fraternity and kindness. Together, let us forge ahead, embracing challenges and opportunities with unwavering faith in one another. Thank you, and may you welcome our pride as we uphold the values we cherish so deeply. We continue to be the light and mabuhay ang One Kantoral. Thank you.
Kapwa ang tanging hangat, yan ang tunay na agila. May pusong agila, yan ang mga ate at kuya. Ipagsigawan sa buong mundo kung ano, sino at meron tayo. Handang tulungan kahit na sino. May pusong agila tayo. Handang tulungan kahit na sino. May pusong